Welcome to Five Branches. This is Joanna Zhao. I'm an academic dean and also I'm an acupuncturist. You see me wear the lab coat because I'm in between seeing patients. Now I'm talking to you. So as a Chinese medicine doctor, acupuncturist, I've been doing this for long time already. I'm still enjoy it, and I think it's very rewarding for somebody and doing the work to help the patients. And so I think you come here, you actually choose the right career to do it. The reason is you help the people, you also help yourself and help your family, help your friends. It's very good, rewarding. It's not just I treated you a problem or something like that. And we actually enjoy each other. Patient give us lots of ideas, and we give them good treatments. And so I would say Five Branches is pretty unique. We, as academic dean, I always try to find the good teachers, and so far are pretty good. In Santa Cruz and San Jose, we have very dedicated teachers and practitioners. Most of them are, and they all have very good experience. And some of the teachers, like Lucy, who already been with us for almost 30 years, and myself too. So that's why I want to say welcome you, and you will enjoy study here. And as a practitioner, I also like to tell you, for example, I'm treating patients who has sinus problem, or the patient who has mental illness and stress, or having chemotherapy, have lots of side effects, and we all can help them and make them life easier and live longer. And for example, I heard in China this time that coronavirus disease, and they're already using tons of the Chinese medicine, which is a very good classic formula, and several formulas together and save the people's life. Okay, so welcome to Five Branches.